Hello, hi, Mantilla here. And in this section, it is the brainstorm and plan your app section. We're going to go over ChatGPT overview. We're going to talk about prompt engineering. And we're going to do ChatGPT ideas generation. Okay. So for this video, we're going to do the ChatGPT overview. In 1 second here. I'm just going to bring my ChatGPT up. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Most people are very familiar with it. So just 1 second. ChatGPT. Okay, I'm just gonna bring it up here. Before that, I'm just gonna try to go to an incognito. So ChatGPT. ChatGPT.com. If you have not created an account, I would recommend you to do that. You can actually use this for free, but I would suggest to sign up to kind of get access to all the other stuff. Again, this is free. You can pay for premium and you can pay for API and all the stuff. But I would say this is a must. You actually need to register. Okay. So you're going to, if you have a Gmail account, you're just going to click here and select the Gmail account that you want to access ChatGPT with. And here is ChatGPT. So with ChatGPT, you have this conversational section here where you're going to ask all the questions. You actually have projects. If you want to create a new project, you can create a new project and add all the information in that project. Here is the history of all the chat conversations that you have with ChatGPT. So as you can see, some of this are, web scraping app ideas, data analysis app ideas, educational game ideas, etc., etc. And here you can actually explore some of the apps that you want to interact with. Some of these are related to, SEO, marketing, Canva, etc., etc. So you can actually play around with what you want to do, create images, diagrams, things like that. Again, pretty straightforward. That should do it. And here you can select the model that you want to utilize. In this case, the GPT-4o is the latest one. And that's the one that you want to use for the brainstorming ideas. Okay? Again, pretty straightforward. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.